Hello students, I welcome to my new video. So in your chapter, which is departmental accounts, I'll just write down the chapter's name, departmental accounts. There is ratios, something known as ratios, which you all really need to learn how to calculate ratios. So we'll just have a look at that. We'll take a nice red pen and we'll see. So for example, the administrative expenses are 20,000. Alright. And it has to be distributed among two departments, that is Department A and Department B. The ratio given in the exam or in the question is say 7:3. How are you going to calculate how much expense did Department A use or spend, or how much Department B, how much expense is distributed or will be allocated to Department D? First, we are going to add this up. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then what are we going to do? 7 divided by 10 into 20,000 and 3 divided by 10 into 20,000. This is how we are going to calculate our ratios. So this will become 14,000 and this will become 6,000. Similarly, if there were say 3 departments, Department A, B and C, and they were 4:3:2. So first we are going to add 4 plus 3 plus 2. That comes up to 9. Then for Department A, it's going to be 4 divided by 9 into the amount, 3 divided by 9 into the amount, and 2 divided by 9 into the amount. So this is how you do your ratios. I have already taught you all basis of allocation and departmental accounts. Please have a look on those videos on that video as well. I will come back in the next video with the proper sums. That one of the sums will be ratio and the other sums will be following sums will be based on your profit and loss, trading and profit and loss accounts, and trading and profit and loss accounts. That will be the proper sums that you will be learning in this chapter. So till then, if you liked my video, please hit the like button and also like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn about Fybcom accountancy subject. And till then, bye bye. Thank you.